You think you know me because I'm in your kitchen? Think again. The ancients called me the universal medicine, a warrior that fights pain and inflammation faster than your modern drugs. But beware, for some of you, I am a hidden poison. If you belong to one specific group, my healing power could become your worst nightmare. I am Ginger. Today, I reveal my secrets, my alchemy, and the one warning that could save your life. Welcome to the Talking Herbarium. My compound gingerol is a master of your inner world. Bloating, nausea, motion sickness. I clear the path and settle the storm in your stomach instantly. I don't just mask pain, I destroy it. Science proves I can work as well as ibuprofen for joint stiffness and muscle aches. I am the fire that burns away your discomfort. I warm your blood and hunt down invaders. 1 cup of my tea is like wrapping your immune system in a coat of ancient armor. Respect my power. 4 grams of fresh root a day is all you need, about the size of your thumb. Listen closely. 3 thin slices of my body. 1 cup of 80 degrees water, never boiling, or you'll kill my living enzymes. Add lemon and honey. Drink this 20 minutes before breakfast to ignite your metabolism for the day. Stop! My magic isn't for everyone. If you take blood thinners like warfarin or aspirin, stay away. We are too strong together. I could cause you to bleed from the inside. If you carry gallstones, my energy stimulates bile and could trigger a wave of agony. And if surgery is near, bid me farewell 2 weeks before the blade touches your skin. Safety first, always. Nature is your pharmacy, but only if you hold the right key. I am only the first friend you've met in this garden. But there is another, a golden healer, whose magic is so deep she needs a secret partner to unlock her true strength. Who is she? Subscribe to the Talking Herbarium and wait for our next gallery. Stay healthy, stay wise.